This is Larry Bonaroto from LarryOnLearning.com, and this is your Morning Minute, the anatomy of a successful turnaround. Successful turnarounds do not happen with only one broad, dramatic decision. Throughout my career, I was frequently assigned to underperforming dealerships and businesses. People frequently ask me where I begin when a turnaround is required. The answer is simple. I focus on the 4 P's: people, process, products, and promotion. In one dealership turnaround assignment, 4 previous leaders had been unable to produce the desired results. Before arriving, I reviewed financial statements, interviewed managers, and listened carefully to understand the challenges from their perspective. My first priority was people. I asked questions, listened intently, and worked to rebuild trust. We installed continuous training, ensuring the right people were doing the right jobs. When both managers and team members identify issues, they begin suggesting improvements. The best solutions come from those closest to the problem. People support what they help create. Next came process. We evaluated what and how work was being performed, identifying obstacles impeding our success. Every process was streamlined to ensure we were serving our clients quickly and efficiently. This improved our consistency and our performance. Team members were cross-trained to support each other and encouraged to share their ideas for improvements and solutions. Then we examined products. Inventory stock levels, availability, and supplier relationships were adjusted to serve our clients quickly and efficiently while reducing floor plan interest expense. Having the necessary parts for the service department and body shop reduced the amount of time we had the vehicles in for repair. Clients wanted their vehicles repaired quickly and correctly. And finally, we focused on promotion. Only after our people, processes, and products were aligned did we invest resources into attracting more customers. We created a strategic alliance with a marketing partner, allowing us to target the right people at the right time with the right messages. By tracking the success of our promotions, we created repeatable templates to guide our future efforts. Over time, the results improved because the team improved. One lesson became very clear. Turnarounds do not happen because of any one dramatic decision. They happen because leaders consistently improve the 4 P's with intensity, consistency, and persistence. If your organization is facing seemingly impossible challenges, perhaps it's time to evaluate your people, process, product, and promotion. Your solution may already be there waiting for you to discover it. And remember, information without transformation is wasted energy. This is Larry Bonaroto from LarryOnLearning.com, and that is your Morning Minute.